Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how to recover password on Notion. In order to recover password on Notion, you need to follow these steps. So to recover your Notion password, you just need to open up your browser, or you just need to open up your Notion application, and then you want to go ahead and click on login with passkey. Maybe you could go with login with email. All right, so type in the email address associated with your Notion account and click on the continue button. The next field, you'll be asked to enter in a code. So basically you could go ahead and enter in a code instead of entering a password. So this way as well, you do not need to enter in a password, and then you could just reset your a link, or you could just go ahead and reset it. So, or I'm just gonna quickly enter in the code. So this is the one. So click on the copy button, exit out, enter in the code, and once you're done entering the code, it's going to take you to the home page, which means that you've successfully logged into your account. Now if you don't remember your password and want to change, click on the three dot icon right in the top right hand side corner, go to settings from the list, and then here you want to go ahead and click on password. Right, you could just go ahead and click on add password button, and then you could then go ahead and create a new one, or you could just go ahead and click on the change button, and accordingly you could go ahead and recover your account or a password as well. So this is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.